Hi Philippines! So this is my grocery, guys, for all of you. And this is my favorite ice cream here in Japan. I really love it. And oh, the remnants of Team Lab! Which one? Right to left. This one looks like Macau. In Venetian Hotel. We are doing some groceries. Hi mga loves, we are here to the very nice place.
Morning.
Hi guys! Philippines! Back in Davao!
Our live is here.
Oh guys, in-made na namin lahat ng mga pasalubong, guys. Ayan na, ang mga recipient ng mga pasalubong. Hi mga love, today is our last day, last whole day here in Japan, and tomorrow we'll be coming back home. And today is Pasalubong Day. Oh, close up people. The Ferris wheel is there in the yeah. Look at the Ferris wheel. Look at the Ferris wheel. Atanggi. Alright mga love, since walang Team Lab, cause it's ewan na nangyari. Then we're here na lang, we're gonna watch this showroom sa Toyota. Mga vintage cars daw nila. Alright, let's take a look at them. Ito naman masyadong maganda. You want this car? I don't know what it says.
Oh, you cannot go in.
No, hindi ka maipit. This one. Huh?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa! Kirobo konnichiwa! So what is the Kyobo? What is he gonna do?
The partner is BuBuchang speak in the conversation.
And
BuBuchang memorize 25,000 words. So his brain is same as 5 years old kids.
okay, the same age.
Oh, a year.
Kung and Kirobo are the same age.
Same age.
And then there's a TV, a big TV right there. And this is the car of the future. Oh, Prius. That's a TV. And FCV Plus. That one is an FCV Plus. This is the car of the future. I'm gonna take a picture of you now. Here. Here, this is the car of the world, of the earth. Come on. Over here. Like that. Ready? Smile. Alright. Oh, you can drive. Over there. Oh, so this is their plan, huh? The plan of Tony Stark. And this one is hydrogen, I don't know. Oh. This is auxiliary battery. MacPherson strut suspension. Wow, that's cool. Oh, Ate Kung Kung. Wanna try this? Winglet. Oh, it's like a go-kart. It's like ano te. You wanna try? Is it free? Oh, you wanna try? Can she try? Ah, too small. But she knows how to balance. This is for electronic or solar. Electronic. See, look, oh. Then you wear the cap. high heels, no slippers. Look at them. Ate Kong Kong. They're trying it. They're trying the...
This is wingman.
Okay. What kind? Mobility robot. Okay, it's like the... Remember the other one? Like, without the handheld? The like that? Look at the ate. Look at Ate Kong Kong. Okay. Movement. Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice. It's nice, Ate Kong Kong. You wanna try? No, that's not for kids. That one is not for kids. Yes. Yeah, I see someone who parked like this in the parking area. This one. Yeah, I see some parking area. It's released already. It's real. See? It looks real.
That's the TV?
Yeah, I want to drive. 35 minutes.
135 centimeters.
135. So sad. Yeah, 35 minutes.
I'm not love. Sadly, Kung Kung cannot do most. I think all of these things right here. But I can do it, but I won't. Because it's for 13 years old. And look, oh, see that one? That's an amazing car. Design, philosophy. Let me test drive. We are experienced, so they're trying the virtual reality of this car. And sadly, Kung Kung cannot experience that. So what you're gonna see is that one. If we try that car. So yun. Kung King, you can't do it. Cannot be. Oh, there's a train. Oh. So the kuya said that Kung Kung can do the simulator over there with me. So let's see if that's real. Come on, King. Let's find it. Let's find a simulator.
Look at that car.
Yeah. Alright, we can ride this one right here with the kids. Simulator! Exciting. Hi! Come on, King! Yay! Oh, put here.
Oh, I can see now.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one? Right to the left. Break. No, I will push it in the right hand side. Was it
Good.
good? Alright, good job. Tito T's car.
There.
Oh, picture, go.
Later also, there's still a person.
Here lang sa outside.
There's still somebody outside.
Go.
Outside first.
Don't cover the name, te. Like that. Alright. Taking a picture for Tito T's car. Like that ang hand. Like that. Other side.
You point that.
Point the name. Like that. Alright, Kung Kung is gonna drive like Tito T. And gonna take a picture. Oh, close pa. Alright, where are you now? Look here. Kung, look here. Smile. What a joke. Feeling un. Go, it's gonna run. Bye! Kasi kalahian, ano niya tilis. Mas...
I like this color.
So, push lang. Oops! Cannot be. Yay! It's open now! Ah!
What's your rabbit first?
No.
Please.
Dust box. Uy, Nay! Uy, mama ni, uy! Wala na ang team rabbits ko. Right here. Yeah. No, that's not for toys yan.
Toy.
No! Ay, mga ano, boring man yan, te. Meron yan doon sa ano, Philippines. Meron yan sa Philippines, okay?
Not for the field.
Oh my gosh, o niya, magpankuan. Hi, dogs! Oh! Oh, don't go near ha. Kayo, pagsagit-sagit na po ka. There's another cute puppy. Oh, this is a dog-friendly restaurant. Ay, baby. Hey, try. Give to the puppy. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, the remnant of Team Lab. Come on, King. Hi guys, we've got the remnant of Team Lab right here. Alright, picture, cool. Come on. Oh, it changed colors. Look. Oh. Be, picture na katilis, be. Para to ang makuan. Kanang anak. Siya. Alright, welcome to Team Lab. Mo lang gini ang remnant sa Team Lab na mo ang nakuha. Mga love, very nice. The remnant of Team Lab. Show the colors. Look at that. Very nice. Looks like Macau here. This one looks like Macau. In Venetian Hotel.
Sila ka na ay mga show.
Gonna eat yummy food. So this is how they present their food, mga loves, in a fake presentation.
Oh my god, Mexican nachos. I love it.
Oh, pork, 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 pork.
That's not real.
I know.
But it looks like real.
It's not.
It looks like real. I think it's real.
Welcome to the history garage. Oh, mga kalaan na. Oh, this one is nice. Yeah, naman lagi ani lagi. Wala na lagi na ron.
Ano?
Oh. Yeah, let's take a picture. Hala, si Volkswagen is here.
Still so many in the Philippines.
Yeah.
They're flowing.
My favorite car. Oh. This is nice. I like this car. The pickup. These are the old cameras. Oh. Cookie.
The post box.
Oh yeah, in the post. Oh, I love the old TV and the radio. I love it. Oh, this is so cute. So small car. Wala sila yung mga old train. Monkey. Wow. Woo, we're going here. That picture. Where are you? Look here. Smile. Oh, yan. Very nice.
Hey, no, I don't want to.
I'll have it here. Wow. So nice. This is the old vendor. Look at me and just ano lang. Look here a little bit. Alright. Dili ka na yung mga people lain. Ang matagig tinuod. Ito ang beat sabay-sabay.
Okay.
Alright, come on. You have no coins. Let's go. Mga toy shop to una. King, you can sit down here. Here, you check here. Telephone, dali. Can do the telephone here. Are you gonna call someone? Are we gonna call someone? Can it be? Oh yeah. Oh, this is a very huge car. It's like a truck. Yeah.
Hi, I'm eating lollipop.
Hi.
You just sleep off over. We sleep over. So we're trying to be in wet air. But are we nice? No! Here. No more battery. Huh? Stick my hair. Stick my hair so it's really wet lollipop. So we're here and there's
We are doing some groceries. Ate Kongkong.
Wasabi ba, Papa?
Yuck.
Ha? Tota?
Wasabi? Kikuman.
Ah, the shoyu is here.
Here. Oh.
Kuma,
Yeah.
the big one.
Kato lang po, Antelis.
Kanis yan in mga healthy kay 40% ano ang mga salt, sodium.
Ah?
40% less or 90% pag ano. Muna na sila ron.
Mm. We're going. Where, Mantelis? Which one? Oh, this is sugar cubes. Sugar. Kaya one cubes. Hi.
Cute tea.
And the ice cream.
Hello, tea. And Nanai.
Yes.
Cute tea.
-1.
Yes. And tea. Bye.
Hi Philippines! So this is my grocery, guys, for all of you. And this is my favorite ice cream here in Japan. I really love it. And meron pa ibang ice cream here. Oh, diba? Amazing. This is my favorite one. Oh my gosh. And there's this chocolate pa. Oh my gosh. And so I'm bringing some of my favorites back in the Philippines. All Rice Krispies. Ayan, so see you Philippines. Okay. Excuse Ate Kong Kong, come here. Ate Kong Kong here. Oh.
Kanisa, butang ka.
Guys, bye-bye na kami. Going to the Philippines. So many boxes. And this one pa.
I
Kaya,
cannot.
can do that.
And you can.
We're going na home. Ate Kong Kong. What is that? Balik na ba? Artistahin na. Goodbye. Tito T. Tito T. Bye-bye, Tito T. Say Tito T. Bye-bye, Tito T. Bye-bye, Tito T. Mura jug artistahin kayo. Bye-bye. Okay, mga loves, we're here na inside our boarding place. Looking for our gate. Gate 98. Not there. Come here, go. So, marami pang mga pampasalubong galore dito, but mahal siya. Right, so, okay, so we are going to our gate. Oh, it's so nice. Aurora Borealis. One day, I will reach you. Aurora Borealis. Wait ka lang, okay? No, doon pati. 98 pa tayo, te. We're very far. It looks like a Harry Potter field, guys. Look at them. Look at the live. The waterfalls are moving. Amazing. Oh, this one too right here. It's moving. Oh, very nice. Yeah. Oh, it's a TV screen. Like a moving wallpaper. Come on. Hey mga loves, we're here na sa plane and Cebu Pacific is very small lang talaga. See that? Yung mga level natin dyan, hindi maka-extend ang ating feet. But going home to the Philippines. See you later, Philippines! Ay mga loves, we are here sa Lavi, very nice place, and tada! Di ba na? Hi, and Kong Kong is somewhere out there feeling hi, kamusta itong love life? So nag-talk me about love life. Charot. So, picture ka sa BuBuchang, sir.
Okay guys, wait lang. Mag-talk sa amin ha. Charot.
See right there? See the seat? It's broken. So, that's too much red. Purple. There. More there. It's right there. So we kind of merged around here. And I have a vegetable. And there's Jesus for us. Yes. Coffee. You and a coffee. And me, I'm a coffee. No, I'm green tea.
No, I'm green tea.
No.
Gusto siya mag-vlogger daw. Mga big girl na siya. Hi mga loves! We're here na sa Davao and we're waiting for si Kungkung. No, that's not yours. We're waiting for our butik mots. Joke lang, mga sundo na guys. Asan na sila guys? Wait lang. Asan na? Asa sila? Asa sila? Oh, Ate Kams is there. Asa man sila? Ate Kams is there. Look. Look at Ate Kams.
Funny.
Hi guys! We're here now! Yay! In the Philippines! Back in Davao!
Welcome to Davao, where live is here.
Japanese na! Oh my gosh! Ano pa siya kanina nga? Wala na tayo robot toilet na wala na wash yung pipi. Oh.
Nahudan siya, ganun, nahudan siya.
Grabe ako singot. Oh my God.
Hello guys.
Hi guys!
Welcome to Davao City.
Serious kayo na nakasleeveless. Welcome home. Ay, salamat. Thank you, Lord. Nakaulit na dyan mi, Lord. Ang plano. Enjoy. Oh, guys. Na-invade na namin lahat ng mga pasalubong, guys. Ayan na.
Thank you so much.
Ang mga recipient ng mga pasalubong. Okay. Anong meron dyan, Nikki?
Kakaiba po talaga ang mga pasalubong sa Japan. May Gryffindor po. Ito po, meron po kami mga rice. Yan ito po. Mga
Ayan.
Meron
ang
pa
mga
dito.
pasalubong natin.
Pakita na lang po, pakita.
Kumusta mga pasalubong
Hi.
dyan, guys?
Special thanks to Grand Prince Hotel. I have now my
In Kyoto?
new toothbrush.